let's open it up and see कि क्या है. With this tarot card and like a basic, it looks does not have anything. I think this is not the original Waite जो भी है उसका नाम. So this is a booklet, but it says original. So yeah, it is different. Very matte feeling as compared to the other ones. The quality not so sure because आपको जब shuffle करते हो ना तो तभी वो wear and tear में जाता है, तो it's like a 0.2 millimeter. So I think it also has the meaning of it. Tarot reading. It is like the sun symbol. These are all matte, so not shiny. तो मेरे इसमें already reflection आता है, तो it's like a very matte thing. And उल्टा है, मैंने उल्टा पकड़ा है शायद. So yeah, Queen of Pentacles. Printing it's good, but the problem is this is so matte कि ये scratches खाएगा और ज़्यादा दिन टिकने वाली क्वालिटी वाला नहीं लग रहा है. Seriously, it looks good now, but थोड़े दिनों में it will start because वो रहता है ना, तो it will rub off. अगर वैसा जैसे ये है shiny, but this is matte. I think if there is a differentiation, then it makes sense, but I would always prefer a plasticky card because it will save you later. मतलब आप what's the point of having it जब आपको उसको change करना पड़े, and shuffle waffle में बहुत problem, जैसे अटक रहा है, जैसे like not very good to shuffle and other things. So I'll quickly run through. This is the card. Link in the description for this also. Let's do the second one. That was not that of great because I personally don't like, और मुझे पता है ये बाद में जाके उसका they're not going to stand much. So this also like a similar. This also have a booklet. I think same booklet. Let's keep it aside. Same thing. I think they just given a 2 different package. Like everything looks exactly the same, but it's not a good quality. The colors are a little different. It is a lot more less vibrant as compared to the another one, but this is not, I would not recommend. But anyhow, link in the description if you want. For this price range, I think it makes sense. Bye bye. Thank you.